Hello everyone, I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about simple past with verb to be. Actually, we use simple past to talk about actions happened in the past and finished. So first of all, let's start with, so how to make a sentence for simple past with verb to be. First of all, we start with the subject. We'll start with was, where, then object or complement. How to form a sentence? First of all, we start with the subject, which is what? I. This is the subject, plus was, which is the verb, plus the complement or what? The object. So yesterday, this is what? Keyword for simple past. Second sentence or example, he was tired after work. Subject, was, which is the verb, the complement or what? The object. They were quiet during the movie. They, subject, the verb, complement. How to change negative or positive sentences into negative sentences? You follow the rule. What is the rule? Subject plus was or were plus not plus object or the complement. First, I was not ready for the test. I, subject, was, the verb, not. So you just write what not after was and were. Ready for the test. You, subject, were, the verb, then plus not, plus the complement. He was not hungry. So not comes where? After was. And here it comes after where? After was. So all, see? Not. How to make yes or no questions for simple past with verb to be? You follow this rule. Was, where, plus subject, plus object, plus complement. What are the subject? He, she, it, they, we, you, are. For example, was he in the office yesterday? You can say yes, he was, or no, he was not. Example 2, were they at the park? Yes, they were, or no, they were not. How to make WH questions with was, were, plus subject, plus the object, complement, or and the question mark. For example, when was he at the store? He was at the store at night. Where were we last weekend? We were at the restaurant. So, if you will focus here, the answers of WH questions are the same sentences at the beginning. So the answers are same structure. Like for example, here you have the subject, you have where, you have what? The complement of sentences. At the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned, and thank you for watching.